Good evening, everyone. I just saw Josh paid. Thanks, Josh. We're going to run this video for this beautiful 9.8 What If Venom Possessed Deadpool CGC white pages. This is a fresh case, and it will be shipped safe and securely. All right. I'll go ahead and show you. I have this set up. We have all our names on here, 52 names. We're going to go ahead. We're going to go live. We are live, guys. We have a local time of 8:29 p.m. here, 8:29 here, and we're going to roll our dice. 3 dice rule, verified video. Here we go. Alrighty, here we go. 14 rounds. Good luck, everybody. This is a beautiful killer book. This was an 8.0 at one time. Won it on another site. Pressed and cleaned it. And if you need a presser, guys, I have a good guy who did this 9.8 job on this book. Your winner is spot 36, David Stout. We've gone 14 times. Here's your time of 8:30. 8:30. We're going to go down. NYZDMP. There's your verification code. I will post that. Congratulations. We are done. I will get this posted, and winner, please PM me. Thanks a lot, guys, for another great fast fill. All right, guys. Have a good evening.